So today I have got a new package from Flipkart. Let's see what we have here. Okay. This bill, and we have this cutter from Stanley, wire cutter, multi-function wire stripper. The product code is 84-475-22. MRP is $9.52. Country of origin Taiwan. Okay, it can cut wire of different 1.6, 2.6. Okay, American wire gauge AWG. So let's see, let's open it. I think it's okay. They have put on stapler here, stapler pin. Okay, it's a small size cutter, not a big one. Okay, this mechanism is good, the lock mechanism, but let's see the size. We measure the size of this cutter is 7 centimeter, as you can see, and total length is 16.5 centimeter. And here you can see the marking in and American wire gauge. So I have two samples with me. One is 1.1 and one is 1.5 wire. So this wire, I'm not sure if you can see through the camera, but this wire is 1.5 okay, let's try to strip this with this 1.6. Okay, it's good. See, the wire stuck here. Let me try again. Okay, stripping is proper. Let's take the second sample. You can see the size here. It's 1 square Let's try to strip this with one. Okay, yeah, it seems perfect. I'm not seeing any wire strand been cut. Let me strip the wire again. One. Okay, perfect. So this was Stanley wire stripper with the range from 0.6 to 2.6